How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can flush into objects in Bambu Studio. So if we slice the plate right here, we could simply see the wastage, or basically the poop of the thing that we are printing. So here purged, it's around 24.41 grams. So since there's wastage, what you can do is to just go ahead and clone your object. So in that way, all of the waste will be onto this second clone that we have made right here. So if you click on the slice plate option, you can see that now it has less purge material. And the other thing that you could do in order to minimize this even more is to make sure to right click on it, navigate through the purge option, and make sure to select the purge into the object's infill, or you could also click on the purge into this object. So now if we click on the slice plate, we can see that the purged total is going to be reduced significantly. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.